Typhoid fever is a bacterial infection, which is caused by salmonella typhi bacteria, resulting in high fever and gastrointestinal problems. It generally occurs after the consumption of contaminated food and water. And major reasons for typhoid are poor sanitation and unhygienic conditions. The symptoms of typhoid fever are loss of appetite, body pain, skin rash, pink spots, etc. Sometimes the fever even reaches up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which cannot be brought down by medicines. In such extreme situations, the person suffering with typhoid fever needs to be admitted to hospital. People generally get a typhoid vaccine as a precaution to stay away from the typhoid infection. But the injection can only help for some years to prevent us from getting infected by the bacteria. So, it is necessary to eat healthy and nutritional food regularly to increase the body's immune system. The consumption of healthy food items will keep you safe during the fever even. Apart from that, there are some home remedies as well, which you can follow during the typhoid fever. Check them out below. Drink fluids. Typhoid often results in dehydration. So, the patients who have fever need to be hydrated all the time by drinking a lot of fluids. The fluids can be anything such as water, fruit juices, herbal tea, etc. Water helps to stay hydrated and maintain the water level in our body. It helps to remove all toxins and other waste materials from the body. It also increases the immune system to fight against the bacteria. Eat garlic. If garlic can be eaten raw or semi-cooked, then it would be great for typhoid fever. Garlic has antioxidants, which purify the blood. It also helps the kidney to remove all unwanted things from the body to cleanse it. It also boosts immunity power to fight the bacteria. Basil leaves. Basil leaves, also found in Ayurveda, are quite common among home remedies for typhoid fever. They can heal inflammation and joint pains. It also comes with antibacterial properties. Basil can be consumed by infusing with tea or boiling in water, and you can also add some honey to it. It can also be taken along with ginger juice or black pepper. Your risk for Hodgkin's lymphoma, a type of cancer that affects the lymphatic system, increases at 2 different ages. According to the American Cancer Society, it commonly develops in early adulthood, particularly in a person's late 20s, and in late adulthood, typically after 55 years old. And for more on this disease, here are the cancer symptoms that are too often ignored. Apple cider vinegar. The acidic properties of apple cider vinegar are good as a home remedy for typhoid fever. The vinegar can also bring down a high fever as it draws out heat from the body. It comes with several minerals which are good for a person suffering from typhoid fever. Cold compress. Cold compress during typhoid fever helps to cool down the heat caused by the fever. Do it with a cloth dampened with cold water. The water should not be too cold and the cloth should be clean and changed from time to time. Put it on the patient's forehead, armpits, feet and hands to get him some relief.